Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by scanning the field for immediate space. Look for sideline lanes and seams between defenders. Once you spot a lane, take the first step, angle your run to create separation, and force a defender to commit. Make sure to position teammates on 2-3 horizontal levels so the defense must cover depth, not just width. Use short, sharp movements to bait reactions, and always communicate a one-word cue so your teammates know the plan and can fill the next area. Once done positioning, you attack the space deliberately. Time your movement to hit gaps when defenders shift. Use variable speed, explode through a seam, then decelerate to change an angle, and this forces a second defender to hesitate. Make sure to use cutbacks across flow to open new lanes, and set screens or picks when legal to widen options. Communicate with one precise call so teammates adjust. This sequence creates layered targets and forces the defense into uncomfortable choices. You finish by committing to the chosen lane and keeping your head up. Secure the ball and maintain controlled speed to absorb contact. If defenders close you down, immediately use a lateral step or one quick reverse to the adjacent space. This buys time and forces pursuit angles. After the play, make a quick adjustment. Review why space collapsed, then reset spacing on the next sequence. If alignment keeps failing, troubleshoot by increasing pre-snap communication and shifting one player 1-2 yards wider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.